This is a Denon DJ Prime Go Plus, the long-awaited upgrade of Denon DJ's popular portable standalone, the Prime Go. Retailing at the same $999 as the original Prime Go, the Prime Go Plus externally looks identical to its predecessor, but packs a harder punch with a flurry of upgrades under the hood. However, did Denon DJ tackle my gripe with the original Prime Go?
Let me finally tell you my biggest problem with the console, and that is the placement of...
Well, not quite, but we'll get to that later on in the video. For now, I do see that everything I loved about the original Prime Go is still present in the Prime Go Plus. So this is a compact 2-channel portable standalone with a large 7-inch capacitive touchscreen, touch capacitive jog wheels, 3 EQ mixer, a variety of inputs and outputs engineered to give you the best DJing experience possible, and a built-in battery so you can take the Prime Go Plus anywhere the music calls you to. With its onboard OS Engine DJ being continuously updated, the possibilities are limitless. And every update has an upgrade to add to your arsenal of DJ tools like touch effects, sampler, and more. And not only does this standalone unit offer Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, granting access to a variety of different music streaming sources, but it also retains its USB and SD card slots, so you're always ready to load your own music collection directly. So with everything wrapped up in a lighter silver gray finish, is the Prime Go Plus a worthy successor to the Prime Go? Well, the short answer is yes. First off, remember that this is a standalone unit, meaning you don't need a laptop, it runs independently. Secondly, every feature I love from the original Prime Go is here, only now it's even better. You get longer battery life, more streaming sources, enhanced Engine DJ features, and much more. So if you value portability and just want a standalone unit that can pretty much do it all without breaking the bank, the Prime Go Plus is the unit to get. Anyway, let's take a closer look at the Prime Go Plus to see what's new and improved. As with all in-music standalones, the Denon DJ Prime Go Plus runs on the fantastic Engine DJ, which is accessible through the multi-gesture 7-inch capacitive touchscreen. This adaptive software continuously updates and is frequently given new features like day mode, touch effects, and so much more. With the Prime Go Plus, you now have features like an embedded sampler, full effect suite, lighting control, onboard song analysis, match filters, and many more. Speaking of analysis, the Prime Go Plus has been given a new processor, making Engine DJ work smoother and faster and also more efficiently, giving the Prime Go Plus a 25% battery life improvement over its predecessor. Touch effects has likewise been improved, with 10 interactive options now available literally at your fingertips. Playing around with all these options allows you to add smooth and dynamic effects to your music, all by swiping in different directions on the touchscreen. Fader Echo also makes a return on the Prime Go Plus, allowing you to smoothly echo out your tracks while mixing without pressing another button to trigger that effect. The Prime Go Plus is now also Wi-Fi enabled, meaning you can remotely update your Engine DJ OS whenever you're connected to the internet, and likewise stream from a variety of sources to make sure you're never out of music. So you can stream from Amazon Music Unlimited, Beatport, BeatSource, SoundCloud Go Plus, Tidal, and even Dropbox. But of course, in addition to being able to access your music anywhere, it's always recommended to have MP3s and tracks as backups just in case you don't have internet. And like myself, pro DJs such as James Hype, Skrillex, and Martin Garrix download all their tracks from DJ record pools. And you can think of DJ record pools as huge libraries of music of all genres where DJs can download all the songs they could ever need. And these high quality tracks can range from radio edits to remixes, instrumentals, to acapellas, and tracks with extended intros and outros. And that last bit is the most important, because most tracks start immediately, making smooth mixing impossible. The ideal type of track you want is one that has an extended beat intro and an extended beat outro, because those extra beats at the start and end of the song will give you enough time to beat match and mix. And we refer to those types of tracks as extended edits. And these extended edits are only available for download from DJ record pools. And so the DJ record pool that most pro DJs use is Crate Connect, and you can get a huge discount on their services by using the coupon code DJ Carlo when signing up on their site. Check the links down below. Moving on, in addition to all that, Engine DJ also allows you to control lighting and will work wirelessly with Philips Hue, Nanoleaf, and DMX lights. You can even stream in and out of the Prime Go Plus thanks to its Bluetooth capabilities to truly complete your party experience. Beyond the wireless and digital features, the Prime Go Plus has physical ports as well for a USB drive and a laptop connection, and still retains its SD card slot where you can plug in your library and handily go to town with your sets. However, one minor difference with the Prime Go Plus over its predecessor is that Denon DJ dropped the Ethernet port, though plugging in a dongle with an Ethernet port will still work. The Prime Go Plus also retains its predecessor's professional inputs and outputs, including 2 microphone jacks, RCA aux, PL booth outs, and XLR and RCA main outs. I personally love the inclusion of XLR as they provide a much more balanced sound compared to RCA cables, and at this price point, this is a godsend. Moving on to the mixer section, Denon DJ has retained the general layout of the Prime Go with the Prime Go Plus. This includes the placement of the effects suite, EQ knobs, bottom faders, track selector knob and buttons, and crossfader. Overall, the faders and crossfader feel exactly like how they did with the Prime Go, adequate with the right amount of tension. Likewise, the knobs across the board feel nice to twist. However, this is where I noticed that Denon DJ still kept the strange positions of their EQ knob placement. Though the placement of the knobs still feel a bit off as they're horizontally placed, we have to remember that this is a Plus unit and not a Mark II version. And considering the unit size and the size of the touchscreen, the knob placement makes sense. Moving on, the Prime Go Plus has 4 RGB dual-layer performance pads per deck with 4 pad modes. This includes Hot Cue, Loop, Roll, and Sampler modes. As with its predecessor, the Prime Go Plus maintains the feel and quality of the performance pads, feeling premium and soft to the touch with the right pushback from your fingertips. Personally, however, I do find that 4 pads aren't enough to satisfy my needs while doing routines, but given the size of the Prime Go Plus and its purpose for portability, I can't really complain too much. Below the performance pads, you have the Prime Go Plus's jog wheels. Unlike many other controllers or standalone units, the Prime Go series has iconically small jog wheels which are great for normal mixing, though a bit more challenging for scratching and technical DJing. That isn't to say it's impossible. Just check out what I accomplished with this unit's predecessor. But for me, this unit is much better suited for 99% of regular DJing, which is primarily mixing and blending tracks. Now, while it may not seem like much of an upgrade, you can't judge a book by its cover, and the Prime Go Plus is a perfect example of that. And with Engine DJ on board, this portable standalone will only keep getting better and better with each update, making this one of the best standalones around, especially considering that insane price.